In this video today, I'm going to hand deliver to you the best solo ad vendors for affiliate marketing. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to the channel, I do want to welcome you here. On this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing and making money online. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, if you clicked on this video, it's probably because you just started out with your affiliate marketing business and you're looking to get some quality leads to your actual sales funnel, or maybe you've been in the game for a little while and you're just tired of buying solo ads from people that are giving you low quality traffic and basically just stealing your money, and you're just getting horrible leads, horrible ROI on your investment. So if that's you, this is clearly the video for you, because I've spent thousands upon thousands of dollars buying from solo ad vendors, and I've been ripped off so many times that I can't even count. But here lately, for the last 6 months or so, I've been utilizing solo ads in my business primarily as my main traffic source, and I've been beasting, guys. I've been killing it with the solo ads. I've been getting quality leads. I've been getting sales. I've been getting recurrent sales. As these leads are giving my follow-up email messages, I'm still getting sales. So that's what you really want to see and have when you have a solo ad vendor. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you again the solo ad vendors that I'm personally using, that I'm going to recommend to you guys, that are getting me the quality leads, and I'm getting sales from this. If you guys have been paying attention to my channel, you can look and see that I've been generating hundreds of dollars a day here with this traffic sources that I'm going to show you here in this video. So not only that, I'm going to show you the two vendors that I'm using, as well as give you some discounts to one of these vendors. So let's go ahead and jump to it. Without further ado, let's go and jump into my laptop and get to it. All right, guys. So the first vendor that I want to show you is trafficblade.com. Trafficblade.com. And I've been utilizing TrafficBlade, and they are a great source for solo ad traffic. So I'm going to have a link in the description for both of these two recommendations. So you just have to go down to the link in the description of this video and click through to get to TrafficBlade. And when you click on that link, you're going to go here up to the top where it says Get Traffic, and you're going to click on Get Traffic here. And then it's going to take you to the true traffic packages that he has. So there's an expert marketer package, and then there's a beginner marketer package. So I personally purchased from the expert marketing package because it has 100% tier 1 countries. So those are the tier 1 countries, the countries that you want to actually get leads from. So those are going to be English speaking countries, countries that are mostly financially solvent. So they're going to have money to actually buy the products and the services that you're going to be recommending. So you definitely want to stick with the expert marketing package. So there's only 3 different packages you can purchase from. There's 100 visitors, 1,000 visitors, and 500 visitors. So if you click on Get Started here with the 500 visitors, and this particular site, I actually do have a coupon code that you guys can utilize. So you want to go ahead, and I'm going to purchase this 500 tier 1 visitors. And so here where it says coupon code, you want to type in JON735, JON735, and you want to click on apply coupon. So once you do that, it's going to give you that 22% discount. It's going to take off $80.30. That's a huge discount. And you're only going to have to pay $284.70 for 500 tier 1 visitors. And again, I want to preference to you guys, this is the traffic that I'm using to get leads and sales. This is it, guys. So again, you can use that coupon code JON735 by clicking through the link in the description. The second recommendation is a solo ad vendor. His name is Benjamin Go. Benjamin Go. I've actually interviewed him on this channel. I'll link that video in the description of this video as well. He's actually a huge email marketer that has generated hundreds of thousands of people on his list. They're all tier 1 and USA leads that is on his list, and he knows what he's doing from an email marketing perspective. So again, I'll have his link in the description as well, and you can actually click on that link, and once you land on the site, you'll see his site here. That's Benjamin here. That's his picture. And you just basically want to scroll down, and he'll have some information information about his solo ads here, and he'll basically take you to his different packages that he has as well. So he has 95% tier 1 countries premium traffic, and then he also has 100% USA premium traffic only. So if you have the funds to buy the USA only traffic, it's a lot of buyers on that list, obviously, but the 95% tier 1 is just fine. So wherever you want to start, just start there. The traffic that you're going to be getting is excellent either way. So he has packages that range from beginner level, from 100 clicks all the way to 1,000 clicks. And if you actually purchase anything season level or higher, so if you get 500 clicks or higher on either one of these packages, you also get a free email marketing course that comes with it. I've actually taken his email marketing courses and went through his training, and it's excellent. So you get kind of a secret email marketing secrets crash course here, and you basically learn everything that you see here in yellow in that email marketing crash course if you get a season level package or above. So again, guys, I hope that helped you. Trust me, I've been in your shoes. If you purchased solo ads and you felt like you just wasted your money, don't give up just yet. I didn't give up. You just have to be buying from quality vendors, and these 2 vendors that I showed you today actually care. They're actually going to take a look at your website. Ben will even recommend things. You can even jump on a Skype with them if you want to talk about your actual sales funnel. So there's a lot of value that you get from purchasing solo ads from these 2 vendors, as well as the actual quality leads themselves. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button if you got some value from this. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to check out Traffic Blade or Benjamin Gold's traffic, and come back to this channel and comment if you have purchased some of their solos, and let us know how your solo ad run went. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.